Today I'm at Roscomac in Worthing on the south coast, where they've just taken delivery of their third and fourth Brother Speedio machines with a FEEDIO unit. Now this here is the first one, or the first installation they had of two machines just over a year ago. And I want to talk to you about how much of an impact this has had on their company and why. The impact has been incredible since COVID hit. This business's medical demands went through the roof. Their output needed to be 5 times what it was, and these machines helped them achieve it. And how did they do that? Well, this machine here, or this unit here, is basically an in-feed conveyor, and this is an extended bed or an extended length one. But what they do is they line up their components on here manually. They've just got an operator that will line them up as you see them here. And then what happens is the conveyor will take them into the robot loading area, and a vision system will identify exactly where the profiles are in the machine. It's hard to see, we can actually see it on the screen here. This is the vision system in action. So it's actually seeing the parts, and then even if they're sort of 5 or 10 mil out of orientation, it doesn't matter, because the robot will still be able to pick them up. Now that's the automation side. What about the machines themselves? Now these Speedio M140 machines, this is an X2. It's a full 5-axis compact machining centre with unbelievably quick chip-to-chip times. But not only is it a 5-axis machining centre, it also turns as well. So in the event the company needed to do turning as part of an operation, they could do that too. Now what you've seen there is one machine being fed by this unit. What they've also got is a second machine here, which is interfaced in exactly the same way as the first one. And this loading system will basically load both machines. So it means you could either have the same part running on both sides, or you could even have Op10 and Op20, so the parts come off complete. Now you're thinking, where do they come off this machine? Well, right underneath the inload conveyor is the outload conveyor. So the operator can simply, when the parts are finished, take them off of the conveyor at the bottom, put them into the finishing area, ready to go. This has been running lights out for this company for 18 months. And as a result of that success, they've just installed, as I said at the start of this, their third and fourth machine, which is identical to what you see here. Now this solution is available from Whitehouse Machine Tools in the UK. You can contact them at their website, which is wntcnc.com.